2023 BMW M2 with M performance parts fully revealed, and it's a lot to take in. Center quad exhaust tips and carbon fiber galore. After a few previews in recent days, BMW has finally introduced the M performance parts for the 2023 M2 Coupe. As we've seen before, these make the smallest M car look shockingly aggressive, so much so you'd be tempted to say this is a race car. All the body add-ons at the front, side, and rear are made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP. The trunk lid spoiler can be replaced with a beefier wing and combined with a roof spoiler. BMW says these goodies with a clear coat finish are more than just for show, as they enhance the M2's aero. Carbon fiber is the main theme here, as it can be found just about everywhere, including on the side mirror caps and the trim around the much criticized square air intakes at the front. There's more of the same lightweight material at the back for the rectangular indentations in the bumper. Other miscellaneous items include an M branded red toe strap, black decals, and M performance lettering on the side skirts. There are a few substantial modifications, such as a titanium silencer that shaves off 8 kilograms, nearly 18 pounds, from the standard exhaust. The upgraded setup comes along with electrically controlled flaps and center-mounted stack tips housed within a different carbon fiber diffuser. It sounds particularly aggressive in the Sport and Sport Plus driving modes. Optionally, BMW can fit the 2023 M2 with tailpipe trims in titanium or carbon fiber. Forged wheels made from a single piece of aluminum can be had at an additional cost. Finished in either jet black or frozen gold bronze, these alloys have a cross-spoke design and measure 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear. You can even get M Performance branded tire bags for them, complete with a sturdy handle and a graphic indicating the wheel position. Rounding off the changes on the outside is the upgraded suspension with height-adjustable springs at both axles. The 2023 BMW M2 can be lowered by as much as 10 mm (0.4 inches) to sharpen up handling during cornering under hard acceleration. The M Performance parts catalog also has a few items for the interior, where owners can have certain trim panels in carbon fiber and Alcantara. There's also a Pro steering wheel with carbon fiber shift paddles, fancier floor mats and door sills, not to mention decorative stitching in the famous M colors. BMW says the extra goodies will be available from April 2023, when the M2 is scheduled to go on sale.